What's good, YouTube? My name is P Wavy, coming back with another unboxing video, man. As y'all see, I got two of the SKAR ZVX12s, one on. They just came in the mail today, so we about to unbox them. The ZVX 12-inch version 2 has a peak power of 3,000 watts, RMS power of 1,500 watts. It has a 3-inch high-temperature copper voice coil and also a massive triple stack magnet. Its sensitivity is 84 dB. ZVX 12 version 2, dual one on. Sub number one, man. This shit was hard. Getting out the box. Let's cut this bitch open. Yeah, this shit is, yo, if y'all can see this shit in person, bruh. This shit is massive. It's massive, my guy. Look at that voice cord over here. Let me. Here we go. Tinsel leads. I think they're 4 gauge tinsel leads. Spider. Look at that cone. Stiff as hell, bro. Stiff as hell. Let's see if I could, maybe, so y'all can see the voice coil. And just look at this magnet, man. Look how huge this shit is. It's ridiculous. 360. I'm very satisfied with this. Can't wait to put this baby in my car, which I will do a video on. So I'm gonna make a video, man. I'm gonna put these in my car, take my EVLs out, and hopefully give you guys a demo. What's good? Came back. I finally put them in the box, man. Y'all can see they looking kind of beefy. I got sound deadener in my trunk. I didn't finish installing it, but I'm getting there, so I'm about to get something planned for y'all.
A bunch of young goon that nigga whipping the brick on my flip. Old girl think I need her. I'ma go fuck up some kitchen. Then have her roll up my wrist. She put the key for the issue. Hello Keisha, nice to meet you. Killing that pussy girl reap. In the jungle like a chief. Burn my stripes, I'm a zebra. Stay with that burner, yeah, that heat. Stay in the trap like a beeper. Diamond so wet, coffee. Bad bitch from Florida, color Trina. Trina to call Keisha. Fucking these bitches like I need her. I'm just gon' mistreat her. With my gang, yeah, my niggas. Pulling triggers, rolling switches. What you hold on, look at it. I don't think y'all get that push. Kush bags all in my switch. Forget her, yeah, I know you miss it. Sucking my dick, then you kiss her. Baby, you want to be. Getting cold for some pain. Fuck me, your mother, me, on me. Thirty-three shots.